Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my latest order from Scrapbook Nerd. So for any of you Canadians out there especially, and you're looking for good places to get the latest products, this is one company I have found super fast shipping, very reliable, really the products that I'm looking for. So if you like the things that I create, I'm just gonna put that over here. So that's Scrapbook Nerd. That'll have my addresses on while I was hiding that. But so this is it here. This is Scrapbook Nerd, and coupon code. Welcome to receive 15% off your next order. One per customer. Well, that's nice. So there you go. If you want to get 15% off your order, you can use that code. So I fell in love with this collection. I was watching a video from Pink Strawberries, and she had made this little mini album, and the mini album was cute, but I was immediately struck by her collection. And when I looked up what collection it was, and I saw that Scrapbook Nerd had this collection, I thought, well, there you go. I always get Maggie Holmes and crepe paper, and here's something different. I could venture out and try something different. I could try something from Simple Stories, which is not one of the lines I typically tend to lean toward. And then you want to know what's really funny? I was watching somebody else unbox this after I ordered it, and I realized this is like Maggie Holmes. All of these cute little bunnies, and even their little signs here with that sort of banner looking, the floral patterns. It has all that same sort of feeling. Anyways, just take you through a quick little look at the whole collection here. The thing that I like about this Easter collection is that not only is it Easter, but it's also very spring. And you could use it for a lot of things. If you wanted to make a card for a baby birthday, for a little child. I mean, there's a few things that have Easter specific stuff, like the eggs there, but otherwise, I mean, it's just a nice spring floral pastel lavender purple. Like, I really like this lavender color. And yellow. Pink and yellow is probably one of my favorite combinations. So I really like anytime there's florals, like that first page had the pink and yellows. This one's really dramatic. It's quite a shocking dark color with all those splashes of light flowers. I can see fussy cutting these little seed packets. I just love their imperfections, but how they're not perfectly symmetrical and uniform, each one. So that's, I mean, like, that is so pretty with the hats. It's very gardening paper. And this one here looks Easter to me. Like, that screams Easter. But, I mean, even bunnies don't have to specifically be Easter. I really love bunnies. I mean, this just looks so Maggie Holmes. And so it's no wonder why I was drawn to this collection, even though I thought I was getting something different. It does have some different components, though, that my typical Maggie Holmes type collections wouldn't have. So they only have the 6x12, here we go, chipboard pieces, super cute. And see, now this, there's something exactly like this in Willow Lane, that same sort of banner. And these are the foam stickers, and then there's the two sides there. So again, only one thing that says Easter specifically. Everything else is, or there's another Easter, but everything else is very just spring. We have these two bits and pieces and journal bits. This is the Bunnies in Bloom collection, if I haven't mentioned that yet. But you can see here all of the really cute pieces of ephemera. So if you're wondering how much this cost, this was $100. Shipped, taxes, everything, $100.07 to be exact. This is a little page pieces Easter kit. So it's cute, just some fun little pieces again of ephemera. So to get a whole collection with all of the ephemera and puffy stickers. Puffy stickers, the only thing that are missing. Foam stickers is what I got. Chipboard. Scrapbook Nerd did not have the puffy stickers. They did have the enamel dots, and I was very tempted, but I have a giant container of enamel dots, so I thought, well, I can have something else. What I'll get instead of getting the enamel dots is I'll get this little brad pack. And the thing I liked about this brad pack, I almost didn't have this in my cart. In fact, I took it out of my cart because I thought, oh, you know, I really don't like adding brads to things. But look, they're not brads. They're stickers that look like brads. And that's what sold me on it, because I don't mind the look of this metal around each of these embellishments. What I don't like is having to deal with the thickness that it creates within a project to have a brad in it, unless the brad has a very specific purpose, like being a catch or something. I don't mind using it then, but I have like just general brads that would even match this collection for that. So I really like this, and I love these little pieces that came, and this bunny right there is my favorite. So that's the majority of what I got. The one other thing that I wanted to get while I was ordering from them, because if you're going to pay like $17 for shipping, it doesn't cost any more to add this one little thing on. So I added one of these collection kits because I am doing a Christmas in July swap coming up, and I wasn't sure what collection to work with. And then I thought, why don't I get a collection kit, because I do have a lot of Christmas products already, but I kind of could use like one sort of base collection to marry them all together. Speaking of Mary, different kind of Mary. And I was drawn to this Simple Stories collection. Again, it has like just really cute patterns. Your traditional colors of the red and green, but with a mix of some pinks and some blues and different shades. So that's fun. So it might seem kind of strange to be getting Christmas this time of year. But I love this page, actually. Like, I love anything that has birds, snow globes, these little houses, any little creatures, these little florals down there. Like, super cute. Like, everything about this page is pretty much why I chose this collection, because there's just lots of really neat, cute elements. A hot chocolate mug, some mittens. And I actually usually am working on Christmas and winter projects throughout the year. Usually I'm doing my December daily. This year I'm already done my December daily. I usually make sure I'm done my December daily before next Christmas, and I just kind of work on it throughout the year. Now this year I'm like ahead of the game, so I will once again be working on Christmas things throughout the year, but into the summer, you can watch for a big YouTube hop coming up with a bunch of talented crafters. So here's the sticker page. So I just got the one element. Like I said, I do have so many embellishments, and I'll have some time that I can create my own embellishments with these materials here. So I'm happy to be able to put together a package with this specifically. So thank you so much for watching. Again, that's scrapbooknerd.com, and her prices are some of the best I've found in Canada, and really amazing customer service. I ordered this on a Friday and it shipped first thing on Monday morning. So I just can't say enough good things about them. So if you're in Canada and you're looking for some of the latest products, definitely worth giving a try. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.